planet Earth, welcome, Mia here. And today, as you can see, I have 3 boxes and they are called Funko Pops. And I do not like all Funko Pops because I not watch all the animes and series that there are available. But I do like Dragon Ball and I do like Naruto and Boruto. That's are my 3 favorite. I like a little bit of fighting, guys. But also cuteness and stuff. So we grabbed the first box and it is Majin Buu 111. And yeah, why I choose for Majin Buu? By the way, guys, this are my first 3 Funko Pops I ever bought. I just, out of curiosity, I want to buy them and I want to have something of Dragon Ball. I have a poster on the wall of Goku, but I not have Goku Funko Pop yet. But we start off with a Majin Buu. And I want to see him in real life, because I see on YouTube they not open it, but I don't really care. I want to see it anyway, with my own eyes. So the box is nice. It has not a plastic protection case, sadly. Possibly because it were cheaper. And then you pop out the pop. Ah, so cute. Let me see first, guys. Woo! Majin Buu. He can stand still and don't fall off that much. So yeah, it's looking like Majin Buu. Can it turn his head? No, it can't turn his head. Doesn't smell that much. Just to a little bit of plastic, but not that much. Yeah. Awesome. This one is very cute. My number 1 I wanted to buy. The second pop I thought like it was cool. And that is Perfect Cell. They call it, I just call it Cell. Why Cell? It's from Dragon Ball Z, I believe. Yeah, Dragon Ball Z. And yeah, he's just a cool character. And he was also a little bit cute and green. And I wanted to couple of different colors. So let's see if we can get it out. Perfect Cell, guys. Does it smell? The same smell. Let's open it. Can he stand still without falling? I'm not sure, guys, but if you can see it, but yeah. And the Majin Buu seems way cooler to me. And they weren't that expensive. I had 3 for €24. So that's not that expensive, I think. I cannot create them for €24. But this Majin Buu, so cute, guys, so cute. Okay, and last but not least, this one is also from Dragon Ball Super. It's called Rose Goku Black. It was just Goku Black, but they made also an action figure of him. And that's great because he had an enormous amount of power. And I like power in Dragon Ball Super. And this black guy has a sword in his hand. He can create with his energy a sword, and that's what he did in the series. But yeah, also pink rose hair, I like it. Yeah, the plastic smell is also pretty nice. It just smells plasticky and very nice. The Majin Buu one is the most stable one, I believe. But they're all 3 pretty cool guys, in my opinion. And the bags are quite simple. But yeah, Majin Buu is the cutest. And then I think the Goku Black. Not because it's pink, but yeah. Guys, that was basically it. I want to keep it short. So if you, normally I review mice and stuff, but if you see somewhere a Majin Buu, or a whatever, it's fun to have them in your videos to make it a little bit more colorful, because my theme scheme is white, and with some colors it could be a little bit more bright. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, thumb it up, and see you guys next time. And that's gonna be a aim booster test video. So guys, bye bye guys.